Hello everyone, welcome to Simplify Quant. Our today's topic is algorithm trading. So, algorithm trading, often referred to as an automated or algo trading, revolutionizing the financial market by using computer algorithm to execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria such as price, timing, and volume. These algorithms are designed to remove human intervention from trading, allowing for precise rule-based decision making. Engaging in algorithm trading requires a combination of technical and financial expertise, including access to computational resources, a reliable network, deep knowledge of market mechanics, and coding skill. Consider a basic algorithm strategy that employs moving average for trading a stock. For example, an algorithm could be set to buy 100 share of a stock when its 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, signaling an upward trend. Conversely, when 50-day moving average falls below the 200 days moving average, the algorithm will automatically sell the share. This illustrates the efficiency of algorithm in identifying trading opportunity and executing them without manual input, showcasing the autonomy and power of algo trading. So whenever there is any system, whether it is manual trading or algorithm trading, there is certain advantage and disadvantage or pros and cons of that system. So let's understand what are the pros of algorithm trading, and then we will look into what are the cons of algorithm trading. Let's start it with the pros of algorithm trading. First one is the speed and efficiency. Algorithms can execute trade within milliseconds, allowing trader to capture brief market opportunity that human trader might miss. Second is the reduce of emotional bias. Automated trading eliminates emotional decision, leading to more disciplined and consistent trading strategies. The next one is backtesting and optimization. Trader can backtest algorithm using historical data to fine-tune strategy, ensuring better performance in live market. Cost efficiency. Algorithm can reduce transaction costs by optimizing order execution and minimizing the market impact of large trades. Diversification. Algorithm can track and trade across multiple markets and assets simultaneously, enabling better portfolio diversification and risk management. Improved accuracy. Algorithms reduce human error, such as miscalculating quantities or executing price, improving the overall accuracy of trades. So these are some of the advantages of algorithm trading. Now let's concentrate on cons of algorithm trading, as we are always be concerned about what is the worst case. So we need to understand what are the cons of algorithm trading before implementing into the system. The first is the technical failure. System failure such as programming error or hardware malfunction can result in significant financial losses. The second is the market impact. Large order from algorithm trading can increase market volatility, particularly in high frequency trading. Over optimization. Relying too much on historical data can lead to over optimized strategy that perform well in backtesting but fail in live market conditions. Limited adaptability. Algorithm may struggle to react quickly to unexpected event or sudden market shift, leading to potential losses. Regulatory challenges. Regulatory bodies are increasingly scrutinizing algorithm trading, potentially imposing new rules that could impact strategy. Competitive pressure. The field is highly competitive, with institutional players often have access to more advanced algorithm and technology, making it difficult to small trader to compete. So this is all about algorithm trading. I hope you like the content of the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more information about quantitative finance.